Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Chord and Guitar and to a very uplifting song from Mayday Parade. It's called By the Way. Alright, so this one is piano based, you can say, song because it's played as the main instrument in the song. We have that melody with the piano and everything. We're going to translate that into guitar, and to do that and match with the sound, we need to have a capo on the 5th fret with all the higher notes, and to combine that with easy chords as well. So capo on 5th, that's the reason for it. Let's go into Mayday Parades By the Way. And we have this chord progression, this melody. It's played through the entire song. We love that. So A minor, G, F, and C, that's what we're going to learn first. So into the chords, A minor first. It goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have G next, and that goes third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And for F, if you're just gonna play the strumming, I suggest you go with the full chord. That's a bar chord. We can start there. You have your index finger on the 1st fret, and you push down all strings there. And then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. But if you try to get some notes out of this later, then I suggest you go with the shorter version, and that is to place it like this: 3rd on D, 2nd on G, 1st B, and 1st E. And the 1st B and E, I use my little index to get the short bar there on this 1st fret. 2 strings, and then the rest there. That's the 2 versions of F. And the final chord is C. And it goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Alright, so that is the chord progression. Let's start first with the strumming, and it's just to play straight downs. So you're going to play A minor, 3 downs, then G, 5 downs, then F, 3 downs, and C, 5 downs. And of course, if you want to play the shorter version of F with just the strumming, that works as well. So either way, A minor 3, G5, F3, C5, like this. A3, G5, F3, C5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so that is how you can handle it first. That's the easiest way. And then we can learn to play the melody, okay? So each chord has notes that we want to focus on. So we're going to start with A minor. So if I just would play the bass and the melody, it goes like this. So I play the bass there for the A minor, it's the open A. And I play that together with 1st B, 3 times on the 1st B then. So bass on this 1st time, and then another 2 times on the 1st fret B string. And then you go over to G chord, you give the bass on the 3rd E string in the bass, and then you're going to play that together with 3rd B. And then you add 4 times more on the 3rd B. Okay, that's the G part, so far. Then comes the F, it goes like this. So that is to play the bass, and I now go for the 3rd fret D string as we choose this shorter version of F. So 3rd D together with 1st high E, then open high E, and 3rd B. And then we go to the final chord, the C, and you're going to play the bass note now, which is the 3rd fret A string together with open high E. Then you're going to play the bass note, 3rd fret A again, and then 1st fret B string for 3 times. And that's one melody round. So slowly it goes like this. And tempo. if you want to play more with strumming feeling, then you just do that. You know where the melody goes now and how the bass goes. So you just combine that into something like this. Alright guys, so that is how I handle Mayday parades, by the way. And by the way, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Makes a difference for me. I really see this channel growing, and that gives me motivation to go on and give you great songs like this. So thank you for the support, guys, and until next time, play tuned.